the ease of operation, how you bring the pane of glass from outside to inside your home. You clean it, you put it back in place, it's a done deal. We looked again at the quality of the window, the cleaning procedure, and decided that this was just by far and away the best way to have windows and to clean them. So I think the most memorable thing, and this is funny, I remember sitting in the house the day that the installers were there. They were doing my two big windows on the front of the house, living room, dining room windows. And they had both windows out totally. So I have these two big 5-foot by 3-foot openings in my home, and all this fresh air is coming in. And I remember saying to the guys kiddingly, "Gee, this is kind of nice. Do you think you could leave it like this?" And they laughed and said, "I don't think you'd like it too much in the winter." So that was very memorable. We had a good laugh. I would say, number one, the product is by far and away top quality. It's good, it's sturdy, it's well made, it's an excellent, excellent product. I would also say this is not a fly-by-night company. They back up their product. You've got your warranty. If the window gets broken, they come out and replace the glass. If the screen gets torn, you bring the screen to the factory, they rescreen it for you. It's just, you don't find this kind of quality and service with every company today, but we found it with Energy Swing.